Hello, Patriots. Good morning. How you doing? I'll wait till I have your attention. How you doing? Morning. All right. Happy Friday. I hope that you are doing well. And I'll wait till you're quiet. I'm a former teacher, mathematics. Wait till I have your attention. All right. Thank you. That was great pace and getting quiet. First of all, I just want to say thank you to the staff. Thank you to our teachers who are supporting our students in the building. I hope that you're having a great day. Thank you to the students. Thank you for being here, helping me assimilate to the building. I'm Dr. Bostic. You can call me Dr. B, B as in boy. It's totally up to you, whatever you feel comfortable with. But I want to say, like, sometimes you may see me walking in the building and I'm looking lost, like looking up at stuff. Don't laugh at me, all right? Just help me find what I'm looking for, if you don't mind. I may just be lost. I'm serious. It's a big building, so I'm trying to learn it. But just definitely please help me out. I really would appreciate that. So as we approach the holiday season, next Friday is our last day. Today you get your interim grades. Are you excited? Ooh, yes. Thank you, staff, for supporting them with their grades today. I really appreciate it. This is an exciting time for you. We're in this perfect storm right now, but one of the things I'm asking for you to do, it's a simple request, is that I want you to feel like you have a sense of purpose and feel like you have a sense of belonging here at the school. Because you matter, your voice matters. I'm very fortunate I had the opportunity to meet with staff, meet with students, and I'm really enjoying the opportunity to learn more about each one of you and our staff as well. I want to leave you with a little bit of inspiration because we're in this perfect storm, but I really want you to have something that you can use as a guide, as something that will encourage you to be your best version every day that you're here at school. All right, you ready? Are you ready? All right, cool. So here we go. Good, better, best. Never let it rest till your good is better and your better is best. I'll say that one more time. I love this quote. I use it all the time when I used to coach high school football at Springbrook and Blake. I use it as well when I used to teach in the classroom. Mathematics and STEM. So I'm going to say it to you one more time because we believe that you can be your best version. We believe that you can care about people, respect others, and do the things that you're supposed to do to help us be the best school in the county. You be the best version of yourself. So one more time. Good, better, best. Never let it rest till your good is better and your better is best. So I really hope that you use those words to be the best version of yourself. Good, that's okay. Better, we're moving in the right direction. Best, that's where we need to be, right? We want to be the best version of ourselves. We want to help people around us, uplift everyone. This is the holiday season, so let's lead with love, care, compassion, and empathy. Thank you for having me here at Thomas Wootton Hospital.
tell me just what I should do. She said, hey, it's alright. Does it make you feel alive? Don't look back, live your life, even if it's only for tonight. She said, hey, it's alright if it makes you feel alive. Going crazy, can't contain it. She asked me what should I do. I said, hey, it's alright. Does it make you feel alive? Don't look back, live your life, even if it's only for tonight. I said, hey, it's alright if it makes you feel alive. We gotta live before we get older. Do what we like, we got nothing to lose. Shake off the weight of the world from your shoulders. Oh, we got nothing to prove. It's alright. Does it make you feel alive? Don't look back, live your life, even if it's only for tonight. I said, hey, it's alright. Does it make you feel alive? Don't look back, live your life, even if it's only for tonight. I said, hey, it's alright if it makes you feel
Hi, I'm Ruth. And I'm Anna. We're co-presidents of Wootton Chamber Choir, and I'm the student intern for the freshman choir. Today, we combine both choirs, and we're going to be singing Let It Snow. We hope you enjoy.
Let it snow,
What's up, guys? My name is Aaron, and I'm a drummer, but since I'm not performing for you today, I get to introduce your Wootton Jazz Band. I want to say that many of these people are new members and even new to this school, but they've put in massive amounts of effort, and the friends and the connections that they've made will never fade. So with that, we have a fun song today, so enjoy. Thank you.
Does anybody know why the book is closed?
No. Wait, back, it's getting bigger.
Why is that still? This is so much fun. She's like, I don't mind.
Technicolor. Hey, I know the world can seem gray when everyone is the same, and no matter what you do, you're not that shade. Whoa, see something in you that's bold. Go live your life and be bold. That way, when your time is right, everyone will know. Technically, I'm like no other. Yeah, I'm one of a kind in an ocean full of light. That's Technicolor. Technically, I'm undiscovered. But just give me some time. One day you gon' see me shine in Technicolor. In Technicolor. In Technicolor. Oh, look at where you are tonight. A firework up in the sky. Aren't you so glad when the time was right? You said technically I'm like no other. Yeah, I'm one of a kind in an ocean full of light. That's Technicolor. Technically I'm undiscovered, but just give me some time. One day you gon' see me shine in Technicolor. In Technicolor. In Technicolor. In Technicolor. Color. In Technicolor. In Technicolor. Color the world. In Technicolor.
Capture them! I need to put them into my Banksy artwork to shred and get rich. What's that?
Thank you. Wind Players Orchestra, go to the band room, please. Everybody else just stay seated, please. Stage, just say.